Hello, I am Tanatcha Thongrak. I study in English major at Thongrak University. Today I would like to present how to pronounce T and D consonant sound. To make the T and D sound, your tongue stop the flow of air at the front of your mouth. In both of these sounds, the tip of your tongue press against the back of your top teeth. The side of your tongue will also press against the upper side teeth to stop the flow of air. There is more air release for the sound and less air release for the sound. In phonetics, this is known as an alveolar stop. The term is on voice, meaning only air passes through the mouth, and the is voice, meaning you make a noise with the vocal cord. For example, T and D consonant sound: tin, din, teen, dean, team, deem, thick, dick, to, do, to, do, tip, dip. And now I have native speaker to show you how to pronounce T and D consonant sound.
Hi, I'm Russ from Scotland. Now I'll read the T words: at, bat, ate, cat, mat, mate, hat, tight, light. And the D words: ad, bad, aid, cad, mad, made, had, tied, lied. The end.
Thank you for your attention.